you doing? Where you been? I'm Cassandra. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a little wig review. I wear so many wigs, yet I have not done a wig review. Today I'm reviewing the half wig. It's an old ass wig, okay? It's been around forever, but I am kind of slow when it comes to half wigs and stuff. The other wigs I'm good, but the half wigs I haven't had the best luck with. But I saw so many cute reviews. I was looking for like a curly wig, like a curly half wig that I can throw on with my own curly hair when I needed some length, you know, to be a little extra. And so I keep seeing that Penny is the girl, okay? So this is by Outre. We're gonna go Outre. This is the Outre half wig in Penny. Now this is straight out of the package, y'all. And I went ahead and I cut. It comes with a little, you know, a little card that you see right there. So it comes with a little card, and yes, this is the, I believe, an 18-inch one. They also have a Penny in the 26-inch, but you know, like, your girl's only 5'3", so if I do 26 inches, I'm gonna look like Rapunzel walking around, so I can't have that. I went ahead and picked her up from Amazon. She was about $25. So we're gonna try it on. So the situation, this is my base. So this comes with like one of those little, reminds me of those in the 90s or the 2000s, those unicorn headbands. It comes with one right there in the front and also one on the bottom. I'm talking too much, just put it on. Alright, I'm gonna start with the top. Usually I start at the back, but I'm gonna start with the top, and I'm gonna find this. Okay, I'm gonna stick her in there. Now I'm just gonna flip this back, hook that in the back right there. Y'all look like Rick James. Okay, flip it. Alright, so let me fix her. Make sure she's on the sides. Oh my god, y'all, it's a lot of hair. Alright. Okay, Diana Ross. Okay. Okay, so here's my hair at the front, right? So I'm going to, oh my, y'all, this is a lot of hair. First impressions, hella hair, okay? But ironically, it is not heavy on my head at all. It's very lightweight. Yeah, so that's a plus. I feel like if I want to pull it up, then I can pull it up. You know what I'm saying? But okay, I like this wig a lot. Now, I like the fact that it's not super shiny. This is a synthetic wig. Did I say that? This is a synthetic wig. So I like how it's not super shiny and doesn't look wiggy. Literally, this looks like my hair. If I were to cut this off, y'all would think this is my hair, right? Yeah, I'm digging it. Now, let me turn around. Y'all, I feel like it's so much. It's a lot, right? I stretch it. That's what it looks like right here in the back. This is what it looks like. Wow. I don't know if this is for everyday wear. Now, if I want to wear it every day, then yes, I would probably need to put some mousse, some conditioner, do a little concoction, right? But for vacation, y'all, I think I like it. Do y'all? What do y'all think? It's a lot of hair though, right? Like I said, it's really lightweight. It's moving. But yeah, what do y'all think? Make sure y'all comment below and let me know. Overall thoughts. 100% 10. Like, I would definitely recommend this wig if you are a curly girl who has similar texture. Even if you don't have similar texture, I think it's easy to achieve the same texture as the hair by just doing different methods, like, you know, twisting your hair or whatever, flat twisting it and then unraveling, like doing a twist out. The hair is absolutely beautiful. Like, the way it's not super shiny, the way it moves, it feels like real hair. Yes, 100%. As far as the comfort, it's very, very light. It's very lightweight. I'm appreciating how lightweight it is. So yeah, I I would definitely recommend this wig. Yeah, so that's my honest review on it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks again for watching, and please comment, like, and subscribe, because if you don't comment, if you don't like it, I don't know if you like this kind of stuff. And even if you unlike it, I need to know that too. I need to know what's working, what's not, so I won't judge you. It's all love. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. See ya.